everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing amazing. So in today's video I will be talking about K-Beauty and its latest launch. They've come up with 8 new colorful eyeliners and a mascara, and today I'm going to show you how I like to wear it and how it looks on me. I'm also going to swatch all of the colors so that it helps you pick up the one that you want to. And without any further ado, let's get started. So here is the K-Beauty PR package that I received, and here are all the 8 colors in the range. They are all priced at $4.25. So this is what the applicator looks like. It's got a very thin edge. So that's what I'm going to use today. For my eyeliner, I like to start right here, kind of create that winged eyeliner shape. And then connect it till the inner corner like so. Because of the thin brush, you get a very precise application, and once it sets, it's like a demi matte sort of finish. So I went ahead and did both my eyes. I tried my best to make them look even, but I wanted to show you how I like to do my mascara. And I like to take an eyelash curler first and really give it a good gentle press, and then I like to change the angle so that you get this curve of the eyelashes. So as you can tell, you see a difference in my eyelashes even without the mascara. So that's what I like to do first. So this is what the mascara wand looks like. It's pretty thick, and I like to wiggle it right in the roots and apply it like so. This way you get a very even application, an even coat of mascara on your lashes. This one has honey in it, so it's nourishing for your eyelashes and adds volume. I'm gonna apply it on my lower lashes as well. So this is what it looks like with and without the mascara. So that's it for the super quick video. I really hope this helps you. I personally prefer the liner over the mascara. I quite like the liners. They're very nice. They're very long lasting, not waterproof unfortunately, but very pigmented. Love the applicator as well. I personally wore it the other day before I started getting my hair color, and I wore it at 11 in the morning, and then by the time my hair color actually got done and I was done with my shoot and everything, it was 12 in the night and my liner was still going strong. So it is very long lasting. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this.